certainly think it's fabulous. We've come down this morning. I haven't seen the tall ships before, so this is my first go at them, and I have to say I'm hugely impressed with just what the city has put on. It's fantastic.
What about yourself, Anne?
Well, this is the second time I was down. I've been down with the children when they were quite small, and I must admit now this is a great event put on by the Belfast City Council. It's absolutely fabulous, so it is.
Okay, I'm Lieutenant Andrea Rodolfo de Farias.
And when did you arrive here in Belfast?
We arrived yesterday for the events in the tall ship race that start here in Belfast, and for us a very good moment arrive here because almost all the period in June we are at sea, so arrive here in the Belfast and this atmosphere is very good.
Well, it's been amazing 4 days. I think the fact that we reached the target of 500,000 people on site in itself is a major achievement. The fact that the ship said they had record numbers of people visiting them. Traders in the town seem to be happy in terms of their business over the period as well.